How to make a share notes on your iPhone. Open your notes, press on this icon to create a new notes. For example, I am creating as a test, then press on this icon. Now press on send, then here you can see collaboration. Press on collaboration. Now only invite people you can access. Now only invited people or anyone with this link or view only, you can customize this option as well. Press on done. Now select this collaboration link with your other friends. For that, select your mail address or messenger or anything. I am selecting the mail. Press on mail, then you can see this kind of message. Enter your email address, and once done, just press on send. Press on send. Now you can see the icon like that. Now let's check the other person mail address. Here you can see the notes is available. If I open the test, then you can see it's shared like that. So that's it. This is how you can easily collaboration or share notes. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.